What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to offer you the opportunity to join me and hundreds of people in a 2-hour live masterclass to kick off 2020 big time. So the pre-sale for the Dijs University is closing in the next few days or maybe even weeks, depending on how many people signed up. We're closing it down, we've reached the cap. You can sign up today through the link in the description. No payment is required today, you just reserve your spot. We're starting officially January 1st, 2020. I'm just going to give you some information. If you buy or reserve your spot, at least for Dijs University, you will be eligible to join the 2-hour masterclass. I will be presenting. Attached to it is a live Q&A, so we might be going for 3, 4, 5 hours, depending on what kind of quality questions you guys present me with. The Dijs University Open is €97 a month. It will give you access to a full affiliate marketing library. All traffic sources will be presented. All verticals will be presented. We have premium partners, so we'll never have to stress anymore about getting accepted by any network, discounted tools, big discounts. And on the launch day, it will have over 700 videos available for you. As an option, we have account managers which will guide you through your process, answer your questions. That is obviously optional under the one-on-one coaching. Under the Dijs University Premium, which is €297 a month, you will get everything that is included in Dijs University Open. In addition, you will get all our legacy courses, which is the Introduction to CPA, Push Level 1, Push Level 2, Push Level 3, so beginner, advanced, expert level. You'll get access to the September Mastermind. You'll get access to the December Mastermind on specific dates in 2020. You have the optional coaching again, and every quarter we're hosting a live mastermind, which you will have access to automatically for free on Dijs University Premium. We will no longer sell the mastermind outside the university, so this is the only way you're able to join. The mastermind will focus on different topics every quarter. So it's not only going to be Facebook, we're going to expanding. We want to teach you everything you need to know about the affiliate marketing industry. Every month we have also a dedicated course presented to you in course format if you are on the Dijs University Premium plan. So if you reserve your spot today for the Dijs University, the doors will open 1st of January 2020. In January, I will host a 2-hour free masterclass, which you get access to as a bonus for joining in today. This was firstly only available to the previous mastermind students who decided to join the university, but apparently only 65% of the people signed up, which means there's more room for you guys to hop on this insane offer. So I'm going to teach you how to apply the super affiliate secrets for 2020. There are tons of opportunities out there, and you can kickstart the Q1 of 2020 big. There are so many opportunities coming up, and I will present them to you in this full-on masterclass, 2 hours long, attached to it a live Q&A, and this will be intense training. It's pre-laid out, so you will get an itinerary, what we're going to discuss, and of course, you have to take notes. This masterclass will not be recorded for the open public. So this is private access. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. If you're interested in joining, click the link in the description, reserve your spot for Dijs University, and I will welcome you on January 1st, 2020.